Well, I think a couple of things. Definitely the first one is that they have very good like EV growth margin, and if this kind of continues, their EV or like car business, I think probably we're going to be break even next quarter. That is definitely something very significant. The other thing is about like smartphone. It's definitely outperforming the market. Now there, like I think that the home appliances also perform very well. If you look at the home appliances also taking market share, Xiaomi has some like ambitious plan for its new products and also overseas expansion. I think the investors are more focusing on its next car is, as you mentioned in your early program, its new SUV. I think that seems that the Xiaomi's pro is in a like product upward circle. So, and I think the only thing people are looking at is more about its high valuation and whether like the new product launch can be matched with that valuation.
Yeah, so the new product launch, this is a very competitive space, and we are going to be diving a little bit deeper into the EV space in China, given all that's going on there. We're seeing price cuts by the market leader, BYD. This as they're also selling cars that are labeled as used but have zero mileage. In terms of the EV space, Xiaomi, how does it stack against other big rivals, just like BYD, Tesla, XPeng, just to name a few?
Well, I think that's something also very, a little bit like out of people's expectation because I think if you look at China's EV market or smartphone market, you realize that everybody else is cutting the price, where Xiaomi continue to say that we are offering like high-end products, either in like smartphone or EV, it's the same thing. I think that for Xiaomi's EV, there are a couple of like things. I think it's about its product design, either its outlook or focus on like speed. And also it's some of the like very details, for example, very user friendly. These kind of things, I think that feel like Chinese EV companies have been doing that in the past. The other thing is that Xiaomi is very good at marketing. Now you probably can argue there's like pros and cons. Like its founder is very keeps very high profile on social media. So as you see that these are some like very unique things for Xiaomi. So I think that even though like it's a very highly competitive market, there are always like new players coming and can be successful, and that's also something very good for the whole market.